Hello, friends at Plastic India. This is Kai from Huayang company. Today, I want to introduce a new product, CI Flexo printing machine, Cinova.S, to all of you. Cinova series is a groundbreaking product in China's CI Flexo printing industry, from the printing accuracy, the machine stability, and the registering. It has reached the world class. And with the development of the technology, in 2024, we launched a new model called Cinova.S. Also, from the quality, the machine stability, and the registering, it got a lot of improvement. Okay, today the procedures will be as follows. First, we will set one job and start printing and check the quality, the registering, and the printing samples. And then we change to another plate and check again for the printing quality and the machine performance. Okay, now let's start the first job. Okay. Now we move to the machine side, and for the machine startup, it's also easy. The operator just press start button. The machine will begin to speed up. And during the speeding up process, the analogs or manuals will move to the central drum, and the printing will start. The picture will go from the unwinder center to the web guiding and also to the central drum, and then through the oven and go back to the rewinder center. And now we can see the picture is moving to the screen now. Yeah. Here we see the printing is coming now. On the screen, we see the colors, the printing is vivid and colorful. And for this machine, the registering adjustment is also very easy. The operator just selected the cross on the screen and find the color units. And if they want to make the registering, just move the cross on the screen and confirm. The machine will do the registering automatically. See the photos on the screen. Here we can check the printing quality, the lines, the colors. Okay, now let's move to the core part of this printing machine. Here we come to the core part of the printing machine. We call it printing unit. For this printing unit, the printing wall here we design as a cast. We design it as integrated casted, and only in China now, Huayang can make the wall, can make the central drum, can make the mandrels and the oven. We are the only suppliers in China who can manufacture all the parts. Okay. And now the machine start to speed up. Okay, the machine now is going to speed up to 600 meters per minute. And during this process, I want to share Huayang the market share in China and overseas. Now we have installed around 600 units CI Flexo machine around the world, including the Southeast Asian countries, African countries, European countries, and American countries. We install the machine in the developed countries like USA and Britain, and also some other areas. Okay, let's see. And actually, today, still in our workshop, there are still some machines ready to ship to other countries. That one, we will ship to Morocco. That one, we will ship to Russia. And there is also the machine we will ship to Morocco. Okay, now the machine will start speed up to 600 meters per minute. Okay. Now, okay, let's check the printing samples. And we check the colors and check the registering. During the period, I will take you to the ink seal station. Okay, here is our ink station. For the ink chamber, we work with Flexo, and for the doctor blade, for the analogs, and we also import from some European countries. And for the sleeves, we work with famous brands like Rotec and Rossini, Apex, and some other brands. Okay, and we come back to the electrical control unit here. For the electrical control system, we work with Siemens and B&R. These two are also the famous system suppliers. And also with this system, the both can sit in their office and check the whole printing progress. And now the sample is ready. Let's check. Here is the first job checking. And for the printing samples, we can see the colors, the lines, and the registering. It's presses. And here, let's check the panel. We can see the furs, the eyes, and also the chicken head, the fingerprint are very clear and colorful. Okay. Now we are ready to change to the second job. The operators will change to the second job. 现在是不是要换卷? Actually, for job changing, it's also very easy to change the job. 换卷. For this machine, job changing is very easy. Here we can see, here is sleeve change. The buttons, the operator just need to press this button. See, the sleeve will come out and he just push out the sleeve and then change to another sleeve. One set job change has been finished. If the operator is very experienced in this printing area, and for each job changing, it only needs around 1 or 2 minutes to finish. During the job changing process, I want to share some information about Huayang company. Actually, Huayang company, the full name is Xi'an Aerospace-Huayang Mechanical and Electrical Corporation. We were founded in 1999. Until now, we have already got 30 years development. For the CF Flexo printing, we just import the technology from the German company. We work with them and do some innovation and to get this now the machine. And also, until now, we already got 150 persons for R&D center, including the electrical engineer and the mechanical engineer, which is the biggest R&D team in China CF Flexo industry. And also, in recent years, we have export to some countries which like European countries, Britain, and also some other countries. We also have the installation in India. Now, for Southeastern Asian countries, we have the installations in Malaysia, we have the installations in Vietnam, we have the installations in Cambodia, and also in American countries, we have one unit in USA, and also recent years we found the market in Peru and also in Morocco and some other countries. Okay, and we see now the job changing only left one sleeve. Just push out the sleeve and push in the new sleeve and press the button. The whole process will be finished. Okay. Okay. Now the whole process is job changing has been finished. Okay, let's move back to the operation side. Okay, now we start the second job printing. Just as before, the operators just press the start button. The machine will ready to start a speed up. with the wipe going through the unwinder unit to the rewinder unit, the printing, the pictures will be also showing here on the screen. And let's check on this screen. This screen is the defection inspection system. All the flaws on the printing web will be showing here. If the operators, the boss, want to check if there is any flaws on the printing web, we can see this system and check. There will be showing all the numbers, the flow, the location, and check. Okay, now the machine has been finished the registering, and also here the second plate we check the printing quality, the printing details here. Also, this time the printing is also very vivid. Okay, now let's speed up the machine. The machine will speed up to 600 meters per minute again. Just as I told you, the machine can run very well also during the speed up process, and when the machine going to 600 meters per minute, when I touch the panel, actually it's also very stable. The beating accuracy for this machine is only the beating accuracy for this machine is only 0.08, just like the human hair. Okay, let's see. This machine will be speeding up back to 600 meters per minute again. Okay, even under this high speed running, we can check if the machine can run very stable. Yeah. Okay, now the machine has been speed up to 600 meters per minute. Okay, we will check again the printing samples. Okay, on the screen we just check the printing, pictures, the photos here. And he is going to get the samples. During the process, I just want to share some experience with you all. Actually, a lot of both, they think the rotogravure is more cost efficient than CI Flexo printing. But if you want to talk about the long-term investment, is that true? But we don't think so. Because if like the occupation for the machine is only 14 meters long, and if we talk about the ink consumption, CI Flexo printing machine is only 1/3 than rotogravure printing, and also it's eco-friendly. Rotogravure will cause more pollution than CI Flexo printing machine, and that's why when I talk about the future for the printing, we think CI Flexo is more suitable. And also, a lot of both, they said that CI Flexo can have the same performance than the rotogravure because they can have the colorful printing, don't have this precision. But now, as we check the samples here, this is the second time printing for the samples. We can check the joints on the screen here, on this picture here. Also, we see the pandas, the fur, the eyes, and also the chicken here, the fingerprint here, the precision of the printing, the color of the printing. That is also very colorful and vivid. Okay, today the on-site demonstration will be finished. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can ask Keisho, and they will feedback to us. Okay, bye-bye.